step by step, line by line. Welcome to Teach Kids How to Draw. Fine Art Online. It's seriously fun art projects for talented kids who really want to learn how to draw. Hi, I'm Donna Villa, your kid coach and new favorite art teacher. Thanks for joining me today. We are building skills so you can learn how to draw anything you'd like to draw, even if you think you're not a good artist. I will show you how. In this lesson, we will draw a cool horse. It's not harder, it just takes a little bit longer to do because it has a few lines. It's hot stuff for cool kids like you. Now, here is the secret. Forget what you're drawing and draw the lines you see on the screen. It's easy. And if the video goes too fast, you can stop it at any time. So get your thin black marker. Ready, set, let's have some fun. Supplies that work best are your thin black marker and your colored markers or your colored pencils. Now, hold your page vertically. That's standing up straight in a portrait position. And be sure to make your image large. It'll look even better if it goes off the page. Find your spot. That's where we will begin. So look at the dot on your screen and find the same spot on your paper. Remember, your artwork will not be perfect. If we wanted it to be perfect, we'd take a picture of it with a camera. We wouldn't draw it. Besides, it's the part that's not perfect that makes it so great. That's the part that adds your personality to your work. It makes it your own. Sometimes, though, there might be lines that you're not pleased with. Don't worry about those lines. Just continue with your drawing. At the end, you will see the lines may not look so bad. But if they do, you can always turn them into something else for a no mistakes way to draw. We're ready to draw, so start with a curved line for the side of the eye. Now add 2 more curved lines to complete the eye. Fill in all the white space of that eye for good contrast. Time to draw on your own now, but not to worry. I'll be sure to jump in for the tricky parts. Add some straight lines for a gate, and you're done. Awesome. You have done a terrific job. I am so proud of you. Now, how will you finish? Your work does not have to look real. Remember, you are the artist. But if you do want a more realistic look, just keep on going. I'm ready for my color, but I just don't want to color it in like a coloring page. I want to add color. And I always use a scrap of paper to test my colors before I put it on my artwork. And by the way, I love when those markers dry out. I always use them when I want a really light value. So here I use markers. Now, follow the arrow for the direction of your stroke. It's the way the fur grows. And notice how I added a darker value by the mouth area to make it look a little bit more interesting. And I also left a little bit of white space, part where I didn't put any color, by the mouth for good contrast. Next, I added all the little things that make it look so cool. Those are called the details, like bangs and eyelashes and whiskers, and I use my thin black marker. Now, what about the negative space and the background? You're the artist. Where do you want your horse to be? Or you can use colored pencils. It looks like this. Notice how I left white space to make it look more interesting and 3D. And also, I blended two colors. I made it brown and blue. I'm the artist. There's no rule that says I can't make my horse a little blue. And here's another cool trick. Be sure to sign your masterpiece and add the date. It'll be fun to see what you've done as the years pass. Congratulations! You did it! Great job! I hope you've enjoyed my lesson. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and write your comments below. You can even snap a photo of your work and post it on my Facebook page. Just search on Facebook the @TKH 2 There you can upload and ask me to take a look. I'd love to see what you've done. You can ask me questions there too. Now, make time to practice. The more you draw, the better your artwork will be. Have a great day, and thanks for joining me. I hope we can draw together again real soon.